Girl Skin here. We just take random stuff. We take random stuff in our fridge and do a challenge. So hold on. My sister's a tattletale and she's a weirdo. Look at her abs. It's amazing. You notice this is going on YouTube, right? Like, yeah. She's a challenge girl. I'm a challenge girl. Yeah, but let me explain it again if you didn't notice, if you don't see the other ones. Well, we got hacked and all our stuff was deleted. And we are back. And if you honestly want us to do anything, if you want us to do anything, tell us. Ready? This is chocolate. You know that chocolate syrup thing? And I'm sure I'm going to swallow this. It's good. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, good.
Come here.
You
Come here,
can
Jin Jin.